The Toyota 4Runner TRD surf concept is a nostalgic nod to the 1980s. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Today I will share the Toyota 4Runner TRD surf concept, retro design, removable roof, interior features, performance upgrades, conclusion. So let's enjoy. Toyota has, in effect, turned back the clock on its newest 4Runner back to the 1980s, when the original 4Runner cemented its beach roamer status in California's surfer culture. How? This concept, unveiled at SEMA, channels the original 4Runner's beach roaming spirit. Notice the missing rear door handles and unique body seam, hinting at its retro transformation. The 4Runner TRD surf concept features a removable roof, reminiscent of the 1984 to 1989 models. The top itself is secured to the chassis by a set of recessed quick-release latches, like those you'd find on an IMSA race car. Two hold the roof at the rear, and one latch on each B-pillar are more than enough to secure it. With the roof off, a roll bar provides protection and structure. Rear seats are accessed by flipping the front passenger seat forward. Inside, the 4Runner TRD surf concept embraces its open-top design with waterproof materials and aqua trim accents. The 4Runner TRD surf concept comes with a pair of custom Russell surfboards with logos and TRD stripes in the blue tricolor that are stored inside a custom travel quiver mounted to the roof rack. Toyota didn't stop at the roof job on this concept, which started life as a 2025 4Runner TRD Limited. The suspension gets a set of TRD Pro billet aluminum upper and lower control arms, front and rear, and a billet aluminum panhard bar. They are also better designed to handle the 37X12.50 R17 BF Goodrich all-terrain TAKO, 3 tires mounted to fully custom machined and bead-locked Musart wheels in 17X8. 5 all around. These wheels are then covered by a set of wider fender flares that still look Toyota factory for the 2025 4Runner. It rides on 37-inch BF Goodrich tires with custom Musart wheels, enhancing its off-road prowess and durability. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD surf concept retains its turbocharged 2.4-liter engine, delivering 278 horsepower. The exhaust, however, is a custom system to give the surf concept a better, muscular exhaust note. Regardless, that power also still goes through Toyota's UA80E direct shift 8-speed auto with its full-time 4-wheel drive and electronically shifting dual-range transfer case. A custom exhaust adds a muscular note. Catch this retro-inspired marvel at the 2024 SEMA show. Toyota, it's time to bring this body style to market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.